more. Good afternoon, everyone. May I request all of you to please stand up? I know I'm going to make the very pretty looking women with their stilettos on, and now we realize the importance of a shoe, the right one. I'm going to ask you to do 4 things. Very simple. You've got 4 corners of the room, okay? People who have a preference of a fondness of the color yellow will move to my right side. That's your spot. For the people who have a preference and a liking for the color red, I'd like you to move to my left-hand side, okay? The people who've got a liking and a preference for the color blue, you'll go to that corner of the room, okay? And the people who've got a preference and a liking for the color green, you will please move to that side of the corner. Now, at the count of 3, you will move. Red, yellow, green and blue. Quick. Red is that side. Yes, right side. No. I just simply changed climax. The right side is red, yellow, green on that side of the corner of the room and the blue. So the people in the red, you're the aggressive kinds, full of rage, full of anger, absolutely dangerous to be with. Rage, aggressive, absolutely dangerous. You are those kind of people who literally hold a bull by the horns. I don't want to listen to anything else. Yellow, absolutely positive, extremely novel with ideas, but you'll just miss the bus with everything negative. कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. Life is so fertile, so optimistic, लेकिन ये हम भूल जाते हैं that behind every little thing there is something that needs to be tracked with respect to its pessimism. But ये भाई लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं. सब कुछ येलो है, all is yellow, सब पीला पीला अच्छा लग रहा है, स्माइली बॉल्स जैसे घूमते हैं, and there is absolutely no versatility to the thinking because they are stuck up. People in the green, ओनिडा का बहुत पुराना वाला एक डायलॉग था, ओनर्स प्राइड नेबर्स एनवी, y'all are those devils with the horns, constantly jealous of everything. Y'all are those particular people who are cryptic by nature. Y'all are those particular people who can't see other people का खुशी at all. जलना आपकी फितरत है. Y'all are all so very jealous. Sorry, I'm not hearing anything. Let's go to the blue. Y'all are constantly blue. Melancholic. आप लोग वो हैं जिनको पंकज उदास और जगजीत सिंह के ऊपर कुछ नजर ही नहीं आता. जिंदगी सिर्फ धुआं है, सिर्फ पानी है, सिर्फ आसमान है, and you all just can't think beyond anything other than emotions. So people and leaders of your sorts, you have a concern. Problem ये है कि emotions के ऊपर कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है. So pragmatism takes a complete dive. Sorry, black is not a color. But black is a matter of sexuality, sensuality, and sophistication. Yes or no? Yeah, we all look up at it. Did you like the way I spoke about colors and you? Yes. Good, very nice. So I am the banyan tree inside this room. And I can say so very confidently because I'm fossilized doing the same thing over and over again for 29 long years. I've been into human behavior, I've been into psychometric assessments, I've been mapping people's personalities to the behavior, neurologically. I've been actually tapping into the potential and doing this for donkey's years to actually say so that we are not who we look like. How many genuinely agree? Put your hands up. People who are wearing black, you all are not black by the color, nahi, by the character. Color तो मैं लाल हो जाऊंगी फिर, है ना? People जिन्होंने white पहना, you all are the sober, somber sorts. Nope, not one bit. Everybody has got something behind the mask. How many agree with this? Now, after going through PRISM, which is the only neurobehavioral inventory in the whole world, which maps people's personalities on who you are vis-a-vis what you show, the 97th percentile makes a difference to my life because after working with DISC, extended DISC, neuro-linguistic programming, Hogan, and many other psychometrics, I realize who we are vis-a-vis what we show has got a deeper meaning. And I belong to a extended army family, but I'm a typical Punjabi. And I wanted a Punjabi. So I then got something in my head. If Punjabis understand it, if you don't, I'll explain it. There is a quote, which says, या ते सस चंगी होवे या फोटो टंगी होवे. I got trained and certified in 2009 on Prism, brain mapping. As an inventory, I realized Shaadi.com came to me, Bharat Matrimony came to me, not because they wanted me to be married, but because they said, how about we plug your instrument and say, hey, how about superimposing brains? But that's not what Prism does. Prism is the assessment to tell you who you are and what's the mask. How do you remove the mask? Women sitting out here pretty, prim, proper, and I am standing in a place which is perfection galore. Looking at all of you, the colors, the palette, the shades of the lipstick, the shoes, I actually felt like a misfit. थोड़ी देर के लिए लगा भाई सही सही तो है. I went 4 times asking 2 different people, ठीक लग रहा है? If you want to know the Deepti, you'll have to befriend me. But if you want to know the Deepti as a professional, you'll have to put me into the professional space to know me better. And that's where it progressed. Employers started coming in, employees started coming in, companies started coming in, corporates started coming in, let's do selection, let's do recruitment, let's do performance appraisal. Let's do all the particular analogies that can befit people to be there inside this particular system. So we started to brain impose. Brain impose, एक brain के ऊपर दूसरी brain. मन में आ रहा को एक ही नहीं समझ में आता. 60 pages of a report which actually scrutinizes you of who you are vis-a-vis what you tend to show. But that's not what was impressive. What was impressive is emotional intelligence भी cover हो रहा है उसमें. What was more impressive is it was also covering something called as mental toughness. Now that's where the company started moving on. They say, hey, you know what? We have a wonderful leader, absolutely perfect, gift of the gap, सब कुछ है, लेकिन बंदा बड़ा खराब है. मैंने कहा खराब मतलब तुमने शादी थोड़ी करनी है. कहते we don't have the human in him. How many of you have heard this word human? आदमी नहीं है. अबे आदमी है, लेकिन वो element नहीं है. You know, इंसान. इंसानियत नहीं मैंने कहा, इंसान नहीं है. Lots of difference. It's like saying, I'm emotional. You'll be rejected from an interview. But the minute you say, I have emotions, you'll be selected because then you know the difference. It's a little bit of a genetic self. You know, your brain has a genetic self. You know what's a genetic self? What you're born with. And slowly and steadily, life changes you. And that's where you get a developed behavior. You also adapt and you grow. Do we all agree with that? We have grown. When you deal with the left and the right brain, considering that all of you belong to an industry which understands colors very beautifully, the left is always calculative. So somebody who's as a businessman like Sonia and Mr. Devan are, it's very interesting that you'll always speak about calculation, you'll always speak about practicality, you'll always speak about the aspect of the logic behind it. But somebody who's a flamboyant person by nature will always go behind the creativity of it, will always talk the colors, will always be talking emotions. ये blue वाले, ये हरे वाले. तो मन में आ रहा को पीले और लाल का क्या? पीले और लाल सारे के सारे लेफ्ट ही है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे आता है because it's everything else calculative. But imagine मैं फिर से वही गलती कर रही हूँ. I'm again doing the same thing. I'm trapping all of you into colors. Am I supposed to do that? The answer is a clear cut no. So in Prism, the language that is used is called as preferences. I have a preference for being very instructional by nature. But I do not have a preference to be aggressive in nature because that's not what my core industry is all about. I am into people-centric work. How do people accept you? And that acceptance comes only after the mask is removed. But only when you're genuinely interested in knowing your own self will you lead to this. The idea is you have a personality, you need to find out if there is a possibility. Thank you so very much for your time.
Thank you so much, Ms. Deepti Jantia, for decoding those fascinating layers of human dynamics. A truly enlightening session to close out our morning tracks. Once again, I invite Ms. Sonia Dubey Diwan on stage to present a token of appreciation to Ms. Deepti. A round of applause, please.